Hey guys, welcome back to another video. A common question we often get asked is, can I use a debit card when signing up for an Amazon account? And the answer to that is no, you need a credit card, all right? Amazon don't accept PayPal, they don't accept gift cards, they don't accept debit cards, they don't accept, gift debit cards, right? You need a credit card in your name to sign up for an Amazon account, right? And the reason they do that is they have anti-fraud. They want to make sure that you are a legitimate person. They want to make sure that the credit card that they're going to be used is going to be in your name to charge the seller fees and any necessary chargebacks, right? But they use this as part of their processes. And what we'll find is if you use a prepaid debit card or a gift card, for example, when they charge it, they find there's an irregularity and they realize it's not a credit card, right? They could potentially freeze your Amazon account. So just make sure you use a credit card and happy days, all right? Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.